The power of perseverance. In a small village nestled between hills and rivers, there lived a young boy named Raju. Raju's family was poor, and he had little in the way of resources or luxuries, but he had one thing that set him apart, a strong will to learn and improve his life. Each morning, Raju would help his parents in the fields before going to the village school. The journey was long and tiring. He walked miles along rough paths, often under the scorching sun, but Raju was undeterred. Every day, he carried a worn-out notebook and a pencil, his only tools for learning, with the hope that education would someday change his life. The village school was very basic, no proper classrooms, just an open space with a few benches under a big tree. But Raju loved every minute spent there. His teacher, Mr. Sharma, noticed his determination and dedication. Seeing Raju's enthusiasm, Mr. Sharma took it upon himself to teach him extra lessons after school. Slowly, Raju's grades improved, and he began to stand out. As the years went by, Raju completed his schooling with high marks, an unusual feat for a boy from a remote village. However, pursuing further education was nearly impossible for him. His family couldn't afford to send him to the city, and he knew he needed to support them. So, he stayed back, helping in the fields, but he never gave up his dream. One day, Raju heard about a scholarship program for rural students. The exam would be tough, and competition fierce, but Raju saw this as his chance. With Mr. Sharma's guidance, he studied whenever he could, early in the morning, late at night, even during breaks in his fieldwork. He had to teach himself much of the material, relying on old books borrowed from his teacher. Finally, exam day arrived. Raju traveled to the city and gave his best effort, determined to make his dream come true. Weeks later, a letter arrived in the village, addressed to him. With trembling hands, he opened it to find he had not only passed but had received one of the highest scores. The scholarship would cover his college tuition, boarding, and even provide a small money. His family was overjoyed, and so was Mr. Sharma, who had believed in him from the beginning. Raju packed his few belongings and left for the city to begin his college education. He was nervous but excited, knowing that he was one step closer to changing his life and lifting his family from poverty. Years later, Raju returned to his village, no longer the boy with a worn-out notebook, but a qualified engineer. He built a small school in his village and helped other children who had dreams, just like he once did. Moral: Raju's story teaches us the power of perseverance. Despite obstacles and limited resources, he never gave up on his goal. His journey from a small village to success shows that hard work, dedication, and the support of mentors can change one's destiny. No matter where we come from, if we have the determination to succeed, there's always a way forward.